Conjugation of the verb to invite in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I invite. 2. Simple past, I invited. 3. Simple future, I will invite. 4. Present continuous, I am inviting. 5. Past continuous, I was inviting. 6. Future continuous, I will be inviting. 7. Present perfect, I have invited. 8. Past perfect, I had invited. 9. Future perfect, I will have invited. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been inviting. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been inviting. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been inviting. Conjugation of the verb to invite, he, she or it. 1. Simple present, he, she or it invites. 2. Simple past, he, she or it invited. 3. Simple future, he, she or it will invite. 4. Present continuous, he, she or it is inviting. 5. Past continuous, he, she or it was inviting. 6. Future continuous, he, she or it will be inviting. 7. Present perfect, he, she or it has invited. 8. Past perfect, he, she or it had invited. 9. Future perfect, he, she or it will have invited. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she or it has been inviting. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she or it had been inviting. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she or it will have been inviting. Conjugation of the verb to invite, you, we or they. 1. Simple present, you, we or they invite. 2. Simple past, you, we or they invited. 3. Simple future, you, we or they will invite. 4. Present continuous, you, we or they are inviting. 5. Past continuous, you, we or they were inviting. 6. Future continuous, you, we or they will be inviting. 7. Present perfect, you, we or they have invited. 7. Present perfect, you, we or they have invited. 8. Past perfect, you, we or they had invited. 9. Future perfect, you, we or they will have invited. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we or they have been inviting.
Hey.
12. Future perfect continuous, you, we or they will have been inviting. Verb to to invite form. Verb to invite form. Present simple I, you, we, they invite. Slash and that slash. Verb to invite form. Present simple I, you, we, they invite. He, she, it invites. Slash and that slash. Slash and that slash. Verb to invite form. Present simple I, you, we, they invite. He, she, it invites. Past simple invited. Past simple invited. Past participle invited. Ing form inviting.